Hello everyone, myself Deepak Sharma, teaching as PGT Computer Science in KM Public School, Hasi Road, Bhiwani. I welcome you all on the occasion of International Peace Day. Peace is necessary for life, for living, for happiness, and for the existence of this world. International days and weeks are occasions to educate the public on the issues of concern, to mobilize political will and resources to address global problems, and to celebrate and reinforce achievements of humanity. For this noble cause, the International Day of Peace is celebrated around the world. This day is dedicated to the world peace and especially the absence of war and violence. The International Day of Peace was established in 1981 by the United Nations General Assembly, but the International Day was first celebrated in 1982. 2 decades later, that is in 2001, the General Assembly unanimously voted to designate the day as a day devoted to strengthening the ideals of peace through observing 24 hours of non-violence and ceasefire. On this day, special activities and celebrations are held all around the world. This day provides an opportunity for individuals, organizations, and nations to create practical acts of peace. Today, that is on 21st September 2021, we are also celebrating this day as the International Peace Day. To inaugurate the day, the United Nations Peace Bell is rung at United Nations headquarters in New York City. In 2021, as we heal from the COVID-19 pandemic, we are inspired to think creatively and collectively about how to help everyone recover better, how to build resilience, and how to transform our world into one that is more equal, more just, equitable, inclusive, sustainable, and healthier. The pandemic is known for hitting the underprivileged and marginalized groups the hardest. By April 2021, over 687 million COVID-19 vaccine doses have been administered globally, but over 100 countries have not received a single dose. People caught in conflict are especially vulnerable in terms of lack of access to health care. In line with the Secretary General's appeal for a global ceasefire last March, in February 2021, the Security Council unanimously passed a resolution calling for member states to support a sustained humanitarian pause to local conflicts. The global ceasefire must continue to be honored to ensure people caught in conflict have access to life-saving vaccinations and treatments. The pandemic has been accompanied by a surge in stigma, discrimination, and hatred, which only cost more lives instead of saving them. The coronavirus attacks all without caring about where we are from or what we believe in. Confronting this common enemy of humankind, we must be reminded that we are not each other's enemy. To be able to recover from the devastation of the pandemic, we must make peace with one another. We must make peace with nature despite the travel restrictions and economic shutdowns. Climate change is not on pause. What we need is a green and sustainable global economy that produces jobs, reduces emissions, and builds resilience to climate impacts. The 2021 theme for the International Day of Peace is Recovering Better for an Equitable and Sustainable World. We as KMPS family invite you all to join the efforts of the United Nations family as we focus on recovering better for a more equitable and peaceful world. We must celebrate peace by standing up against acts of hate online and offline, and by spreading compassion, kindness, and hope in the face of the pandemic. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good morning everyone. First of all, happy International Peace Day. So on this day I wanted to share my thoughts about peace in front of you. So the real and lasting victories are those of peace, not of war. If we have no peace, it is because that we have forgotten that we belong to each other. Peace doesn't come by force, it only can be achieved by understanding. And it doesn't mean to be in a place where there is no noise or trouble or hard work. It means to be in the midst of those things and still be calm in your heart. Thank you. And do not forget that peace always begins with a smile. So don't stop smiling. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I am Bhavya from 9th standard. Peace. What does peace mean? Peace does not mean the absence of war or any terror. Peace means a feeling of love, satisfaction and harmony. Actually, peace is just like a flood of love in the world. United Nations organization was established to make the world peaceful and terror-free. So they decided to make the day in 1982. Since then, International Peace Day is celebrated every year on 21st of September. The purpose of this day is to create sense and awareness in the people about the importance of peace. United Nations convey a message to each and every person to respect each other, because environmental peace can be created only when people respect to each other. As you know, the world has been badly affected by First World War and Second World War. These wars created the biggest disaster whose after effects can be felt or seen still now. So it is very important to make the world peaceful, and peace is necessary for a life, for a living and for a happiness. Always stay happy. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Bhumi from 9th standard. Today I am here to tell you something about Peace Day. The International Day of Peace is celebrated on 21st September every year. It was established in 1981 and first celebrated in 1982. The purpose to celebrate this day is to create an awareness in people about the importance of peace. The peace dove flying with an olive branch in its beak is the most commonly featured symbol of the day. This day is to dedicate the peace of world and specifically the absence of war and violence. United Nations gave messages to whole country to respect each other, because an environment peace can only be created if people respect each other. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Mahima and I am a student of class 10th in KM Public School. Today I am going to talk about International Peace Day. Peace means freedom. Peace means a feeling of comfort, and peace means freedom from terror and war. These three words are enough to explain the real peace. peace is necessary for the existence for this world, for life, for living, and for happiness. The absence of peace in any region of the world is responsible for the deaths of many people. United Nations Organization was established to make this world terror-free and peaceful. UN decided to celebrate International Peace Day in 1982. Since then, International Peace Day is celebrated every year on 21st September. UN gives a message to the whole world to respect each other, because peaceful environment can only be created if people respect each other. When people start to respect others' emotion, others' feeling, and others' religion, peace developed in the world. On International Day of Peace, different organizations including UN arrange programs all over the world. All countries arrange meetings and conferences to highlight the need and importance of peace. The world had been badly affected by terror and war. We can take the example of First and Second World War. Even our own subcontinents has been big victims of terror attacks, which badly affected our education, lifestyle, economical value, and social value. It is the time to make this world like a peaceful paradise. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Harleen, and today I am giving a speech on International Peace Day. In 1981, the United Nations General Assembly declared the third Tuesday of September as International Day of Peace. This day coincided with the opening day of the annual sessions of the General Assembly. The purpose of the day was and still remains to strengthen the ideals of peace around the world. 2 decades after establishing the day of observance in 2001, the Assembly moved the day to be observed annually on September 21. So, beginning in 2002, September 21 marks not only a time to discuss how to promote and maintain peace among all peoples, but also a 24-hour period of global ceasefire and non-violence for groups in active combat.
When wars and conflicts totally cease in our world, there shall be peace. People must not to get along, not blame others for being wrong. People fight for control, fight for land, someone just need a helping hand. We must rid ourselves of vanity, also embrace peace through humility. Wars and conflicts make children so much tougher, lose their innocence while they suffer. Thank you.